I'm Christin Scholz. I'm a third-year graduate student at the Annenberg School. I started out in Germany at the University of Technology in Chemnitz. I studied media communication, and I started to become really interested in health communication and ended up with Professor Julia van Weert in Amsterdam, at the University of Amsterdam, who was studying cancer communication at the time, which I thought was really fascinating because it allowed me to sort of apply my skills as a communication scientist to a good cause. And at Amsterdam, I met several professors and affiliates of the Annenberg School for Communication who are really amazing people and got me interested in applying to Edinburgh, and so now I'm here. The kinds of things that I study have, on a very basic level, have to do with how ideas spread from person to person. So how do we get persuaded by ideas? Why do we tell other people about our ideas? And how do we do this? And so this is a very complex process. It's a very social process. We're influenced by multiple people in our daily lives, and we might not always be able to tell others why we talked about an idea in a certain way, or who or what influenced us to talk about the idea. And so I'm using fMRI, or functional magnetic resonance imaging, to, on a simple, saying it simply, look at people's brains while they're talking about their ideas to try and figure out why they're doing it and what are the psychological mechanisms of why they're doing it. And the ultimate goal of this is, again, health communication, where we're trying to understand why health messages spread and how can we make them spread more effectively. And understanding these basic mechanisms of why ideas spread from person to person can help us do this. Annenberg has always been kind of a special place for me. This is a place where a lot of the people are located that I started out reading the research of when I was a lowly undergrad. And so it was sort of always in the back of my mind that this was a great place for communication scientists. Students get really great travel opportunities and are encouraged to participate in all these great summer programs. I visited the International Communication Association Conference, ICA, in Seattle, for instance, and got to meet a lot of scholars from all over the world. This year I'm going to ICA in Japan to present my research, which would not be possible without travel funding. Edinburgh is a great place to get a broad education in communication science, especially because it is very flexible. Students are allowed to take a lot of electives, both within Edinburgh as well as within Penn in general, which offers great resources and has helped me to learn a lot even outside of communication science. It has helped me to learn a lot of statistical methods, a lot of information about neuroscience that then I'm bringing back to my own research and combining with what I know about communication science to study the questions that I'm interested in.